Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to rename your wallet in AnCrypto. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open AnCrypto application on device. You may need to enter your 4-digit PIN here. After that, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then you can see Manage Wallet tab. Click on Manage Wallet and you'll see your wallet there. Now choose the wallet you want to rename. Click on the small I button at the right side of the screen. Now you can say Name there. On the field, you need to type in the new name for your wallet. After that, click on Done button and click on Save Changes here. So that is how you can rename your wallet in AnCrypto. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.